goodness. My phone was what do you call it? Hey, what's up, Jenna? It's rolling, people rolling. Let me play something for y'all here. Hold on there. Don't kill me.
Fretdem, your dog boy. Songs done none of your patriots. You know what I call your saboteur, your dog boy. I'm here represent the pretty girl. Damn. Why boy put in night chicken? Why pussy put in night chicken? I'm a miss.
Hello, Valasa. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everybody.
Yeah, make one play a little music. A little dirty girl, yeah. So you know for me to be
I like the music, my sister.
yeah. See, people of Canada don't know leave people business. And then the big dirty girl at Jamaica don't know to leave people business. And then you put mental case. When they are Florida, we don't need more to leave people business. Bitches, they're going to get it today, ho. They're going to get it today. I swear to God, y'all bitches going to get it today.
Hey, Candy. Hey, what's up, Char Diamond? Rum cream, yeah, what do you mean? Everybody go get their drinks, go get their popcorn, go get their everything. Hey, Hotness, what's up? Shortbread, what's up? Yeah.
Let's go.
Marie, what's up? What's up, CC? 2K, Paulette. I had my Baileys with crushed ice. Ow. Hey, what's up, Drew? Miss Paulette. Yeah, I'm inviting her right now.
The blood clot here too. Alright, Candy, right, let's just say. Candy, go and roll up there.
Right?
Blood clot, man. Yeah. When Candy, get out of the cup. You play shot where you got yourself. Yeah.
Like a rolling
stone. Like a blood clot, rolling stone. You come on, me tired of you.
A fucking rolling calf. A
no,
rolling
calf. Too much. This is our intro.
Yes. Our blood clot baboon, yeah.
Yeah, you have to play a
dark
baboon
shit.
Too blood clot much. Me tired of look at dirty woman, yeah.
Yeah?
Me tired of her. Me don't know who bring her. I think that the dirty puss bring her puss up to go take her back.
Right? That's true.
Yeah, me tired of her, man.
Fucking big pussy girl. Oh, germs. Fucking skirmish of the earth.
Yeah.
Ugliest fucking woman on planet.
Which I go see where we nice or we blood clot. What? You have a see where we nice or we go on. We tell you the add sister to it, so you have a see where we nice or we blood clot. Go on, you're too much. You blood clot because woman, you're too much. Ear pop, you're too much.
Wait a
Oh, yeah.
Tanya's here?
Everybody, you get to the cup.
Wanna get to the cup, everybody. Yeah, cheers, everybody, cheers. Listen to Tanya. Hey, the blood clot, baboon, yeah. Hey. Hey. Number one. If you can't do this a blood clot, Fucking old germs. Yeah, for so we nice, so we blood clot go on. Yeah? Mm-hmm.
Baboon. That's all about you.
A fucking baboon, yeah.
Hey, girl, you think me a blood clot Superman? A blood clot. Ape Sanders. Osha, Ape blood clot Sanders. Hey, girl, me blood clot to this. You will come talk about say, me no blood clot married girl. Come on. Stop with your fiction life. You mean say, you no blood clot married. Remember, you said married to the old man. The world was a blood clot Fretdem married. Girl, all you have a blood clot husband. And from last night, you depend on life. From Tuesday night, all the way back to blood clot early Wednesday morning. And you say you have a man. I want to baboon your man. Cartoon blood clot you.
And your man don't come around and look for you in the house?
From 10:34 and up till 2:40 something this blood clot man, the woman where they work. They send your life to me, nasty woman. And you come talk about some no blood clot married and me no have no papers. Girl, who no have no blood clot papers? You mean say you no have no papers? You claim to say you are a Canadian and you can't speak proper English like the blood clot self, yeah. But me a Jamaican and me clear man. So let me ask you a question now. If you say you're not Jamaican, right? Why you would have to call the Canadian Jamaican Council? What that have to do with blood clot? You say you're not Jamaican. What do you have to do with Jamaican?
She went to the Jamaican Canadian Association. The Canadian.
Girl, what the fuck you talking about? Remember, I have a blood clot memory now. Girl, we can't pay your whole life right now. So when you take it down, that no blood clot mean nothing. We have the whole blood clot life. When you realize you can't help for yourself, you take it down. You're a baboon, man. I want a blood clot cartoon, yeah, man.
Any man, Fretdem, any good man is going to go around the house at least 11 o'clock and be like, where is my wife?
No,
where
first
is my
of all,
girl?
the woman come from work with a sour pussy, the Carnation Market all. And the woman sit down for life. I remember COVID. And she said she worked in a facility, in a medical facility. So dear
germs. Oof.
Oh, shortbread, immigration, I look for you too. So immigration, I look for me. Them I look for you. Them I look for Suki. Blood clot Suki was
the government I look for me, my lord. She said she got
and with the other girl, yeah, so how much people immigration I look for? Suki Barna, England. Shortbread, you Barna, England. The other girl, what's the name there? Lady C. Tag Lady C there. Lady C have our blood clot papers. So they want to show you license plate, show you everything. Remember, you said we don't know PR. I'm also you want to see me can't video my also now and show it to you, know, girl.
No, don't go that far. Don't do it. She too blood clot fast. She never see nothing. Nothing when nobody have. Because we don't put our fucking we're not like her. Follow fashion monkey always a blood clot. Show this, show that, show this, show blood clot.
What you want to see? What you want to see? Dirty woman, nasty woman, stinking woman, dirty drunk or blood clot woman. What you want to see? The whole house? I eat your blood clot. Want to see? You want to see night? You want blood clot see night? Dirty, stinking, nasty, drunk. You want to see night? You want to see night and you want to lick up the blood clot night? What you want to do? In drunk truck? What you want to do? Mentality ball? What you find out the talent ball? The blood clot want to lick up. In dirty, stinking, nasty woman. Who for blood clot house can dirty? You utter your bumper pussy blood clot mind. In nasty, dirty, stinking woman. When the blood clot, you don't leave me alone, dark shit. That's what talk about us dirty. Your pussy blood clot dirty. Your dirty pussy will under you dirty.
Calling people's fucking name.
Pussy under you dirty. Because you come from blood clot work. Which husband you could have possibly have? Or you for have a husband and you the up all that night. You sure so your husband would dead no blood clot.
Yeah, but he would search for his wife because any man is gonna look and be like a women girl there. How shouldn't they in our bed?
Listen, nobody no want to go lay them side on a dead blood clot blanket.
Right? Blanket. The man not dead there. Me tell you no for a long time. The man is not here.
See my blood clot ring there. See that ring there? And this is a different blood clot ring. Come job some ring cost too much attention, and I'm gonna show you the third one. The dirty, stinking, nasty blood clot, girl.
Anything we do, anything that we do or we have, the fucking woman is bad mind, yo. Oh, if you say that you're a nurse, Fretdem, she's a surgeon. Yeah? She always has to be on top.
Lady, the other band in my car, lady, this is the new ring when me just get lady with the blood clot, man, with the dirty, stinking, nasty woman. All of you go there with me. You can't go tip the blood
him
clot
go and come. The man
you know, your body
there.
dirty, no blood clot. And them tell us if your house dirty, your pussy dirty too. Because you have to clean your blood clot dirty house so you can't lay down.
The fucking man go and
dirty,
come.
stinking, nasty Ape Sanders. Why the blood clot you call me name? Lady, me want to catch you and kick up your blood clot. And that's what me I try to tell them. Me no want in no bag of long talking with you. You say me can't fly. Of course me can't blood clot.
Yes, man. True.
Do I look like a bird to you? Eh? Do I look like a blood clot bird to you? The only human being when me ever hear say them believe them
never
fly a blood clot R. Kelly. Eh? You're right about that me can't fly, bitch, me can't travel. Drunk
exactly.
Me here come talk about say, me here there with my husband, you don't see me and my husband about. So don't you sure you say, you always watch out my blood clot like a day. You can't watch my life no more, me block your blood clot a day, drunk crop. A day. You talk about, girl, me never see you on the blood clot animal, them a go back at the zoo yet. You, I say you carry your pity the animal them out. And a wonderland you carry them. Who the fuck does that?
No, but Fretdem, the woman said,
are you serious?
She ended up
fucking mad.
She ended up going to, she said she went to Australia, you know, that's 22-hour plane ride.
Girl, can't go from plane, girl, stop it.
I listen,
stop
she
it,
ended up going to Hamilton. No, hold on, she ended up going to Hamilton, which is right around the corner from her house, about Disney Park. Disney Ice with blood clot.
I pack blood clot lunch for them picnic. How a woman
to go to Wonderland.
They might buy a eat for them want.
What the hell you
food in the house. It's a reason why we carry them out so them can have them fun and eat what them want and buy what them want. You never carry those animals out. And when you want to talk about them here, give the animal milk. Nobody told you to take those animals to the goddamn daycare. And that's why they give them milk because they thought they was human. That's why they give them milk.
Right.
When you say don't make no sense, you talk about say, oh, them have, girl, if you have allergic reaction, you have to see it right there and then. And something where you're not supposed.
But she said the EpiPen was right there. Right, she said the EpiPen was there. So if the EpiPen was there, then they would have obviously knew to give it to them.
But Stan, the girl said two different things in the sentence.
Same
First she
right.
said, oh, they called me and I had to go meet them at the hospital and they didn't do anything. Said them never do not know the blood clot. Them reach at the hospital, liar, dirty woman, stinking blood clot woman, coronation market pussy woman.
4 hour life to do for me.
Animal eat dirty stinking nasty brown crow. Look at me blood clot near my you and the other baboon and cartoon supposed to argue. Big dirty trench out blood clot pussy post. Trench out pussy post. Stop calling me blood clot near my sister near dirty stinking nasty drunk girl. Post me 8, 9, 10 and 100 your blood clot. Me 8 you. Me 89 you. Me 99 you. Me blood clot 79, 69, 59. All of the blood clot 8 and 9 them me 8 you dirty stinking nasty woman. No call me blood clot name Puss. Puss, you are not going to know
German.
Go into
the living room for now, okay,
you are
baby?
Screaming. No blood clot German not accept no animal. Dirty stinking nasty blood clot bitch. And you mental blood clot facility. What the girl name again? She name. The bitch from Florida, what's she name? The mental case for the overpuss this man. What is she name?
Oh, Susie Q?
Yes, so called Susie Q. Mental blood clot case. So called girl. Remember say your mother don't put them a aunt your blood clot. Remember say your mother blood and run you down like when rain a fall from people get drunk crow. When you over there come drop one, you can't talk about my sister. In girl you make your blood clot mother get killed. The blood clot weed what she take. Yeah, sell. So your blood clot belly can't get full. In dirty, stinking, nasty, drunk crop. In dog shit, Susie Q, anytime you be a New York blood clot, check me, Fretdem. But otherwise, from now, go sit in a blood clot corner and make your mother up with them start walk up on your brain. Can they not stop walk
They need to
up
stop
on your
taking
blood
a
clot?
puss argument on themselves and make puss draw them into their fucking in her mix up.
Yeah, your mother up your aunt, your girl. Go down for your knee and go beg God. That's why your blood clot mad.
That's what puss do, manipulate these
drunk
people.
The whole I know I get up. Here, from the time you say I drop out the candy blood clot passport right there. When you pick the day, when diary mother there, when diary auntie there, with everything you say your blood clot, drop out, can't drop out except your pussy out. Lady, the only thing I drop out of you are your pussy tongue a turn run.
The woman say my name blood clot Shereen now to rascal.
First of all, we want to know who the fuck is this Shereen. Because if this Shereen have all this information, I don't know why she don't find my inbox.
Exactly. And why she not giving us all this information?
This morning? Why? Why you take it down drunk, girl? Why
exactly.
You drunk, girl?
Fucking bitch.
You are pussy come like on a pussy and they don't bother you. That's why you can't go in the bed with the man. Your young blood clot pussy will under you. 50 by pussy girl. You can't come talk to nobody around here. I come talk about say you not sure this and so deal this. Bitch, let me show you my blood clot married picture. My husband there and we are come home. Suck good girl. If you didn't marry, there's nowhere you up on that life for so many hours. And you
exactly.
Sit there and
your man don't come look for you. And your man don't come tell you to come to your bed now because you have work tomorrow.
I mean, a shit in the attack, girl. You look at animal them in the background after 12. People after 12, when the life
the picking them in the background. What the fuck?
Say, regardless of what them at virtual school, the animal them was supposed to be sleeping from 8:30 to 9 o'clock. They're supposed to be
fucking sleeping, bro. You have school tomorrow. The fuck?
That's what's supposed to be blood clot asleep.
They're running around the background.
Running around in the blood clot background. Girl, we get sleepless nights. A sleepless night you get.
No sleep for the blood clot wicked. Fretdem, no sleep for the fucking wicked.
No sleep for the wicked. What you ever say about Juno? You said you are Batman. Why? Because Juno want to fuck you. And you over there talking about
Juno want to give her no money.
Girl, remember your ugly son have hearing in 9 years.
Right.
Remember your blood clot Dracula son. Where Yankee and Propa. Remember, say, him blood clot have some long earring don't touch him shoulder. Girl, when you need to go address,
like
it's Anthony Martin who blood clot, the gunshot and then blood clot by a 17-year-old. And him couldn't even bury them if you beg money from cash up. So the blood clot talk about. And you look come up on a talk about life insurance. Make sure you have any life insurance. Girl, with life insurance. So why you never tell your baby daddy? Make sure same have like blood clot
insurance. So in kids them stay set for life.
So in kidney them could have set for life. So the animal, first of all, animal can't set for life. Cause you don't know when guys do anything can happen.
She bought the day in the blood clot basement.
Yeah.
No more money, no more father, and she not even a blood clot more for the man. And she used to fuck out the man so she have either knee.
Oh, when the man stand up next to her, she stand up like a blood clot statue of liberty. The woman stand up like statue of liberty. That's what God said.
Stiff like a blood clot wig.
Where blood clot
stiff like our wig.
Woman come over here, come thief.
Yeah, stiff like our blood clot wig.
Like it no stiff like our
nasty blood clot.
Yeah, just like the look like say her starchy, she spray nice. Woman, you want to find a blood clot dick. Like my friend Barracuda when I say him cocky. Alright, him no pussy. So leave me blood clot alone. Woman, me cocky. Me no pussy. I cocky me love. Love me blood clot name.
That's gonna be
blood clot.
What time you there? What time you there?
I don't know where you're going on your 199 week. He just sit down with a good up with your blood clot go by. Lady, you know, see. Oh, one of your eye dead, no blood clot. You look like the man when the man come in at night time. You never want something cold. You look like him using cocky and licking your blood clot eye. The left eye always dead and the right one. I don't know. I wish I one of them, but one of them always a blood
clot. The eye clap. Clap the fuck. Clap.
Yeah, I leave her and gone in a church to blood clot on Thursday and Wednesday and Sunday. Clap.
Yeah.
We don't know the dirty woman. Dirty woman every day get up on me and my sister. We don't know clean people. We tell us so we don't go to the zoo. If we want to go to the zoo, Staten Island have a zoo and I don't go there. Love right? Blood clot. Love
fuck you.
Nice and cook. Lady, you say you have to teach me how to cook. Lady, let me tell you something.
Thank you.
Because all food where you claim say you are cook. You pick the still blood clot look like she suffer from malnutrition. Your man can't gain no weight because of poison you give. Like my boss doctor love that say
none of them
blood clot Gramazone.
None of them not have no fucking none of them not have no weight on them. Them mug and a blood clot.
No, because I the alligator them be a Gramazone she put in the man food. The wheat pies was about remember the wheat pies not going in the dirt with the food, you know. So it evaporate up in the food that suck it up. And that's why the man can't get no blood clot weight. What I do could have been 99.9 degrees to blood clot and the man have on 2 shirts. The way him body feeble and the way him blood clot in me make him always cold and when out I do 100 degrees. Dirty woman love me blood clot. Baby,
you said the woman Tanya, she pick up all of the people them all broke, all fat, all cookina. Holy fuck.
Me, Tanya and Dan have the same furniture. If I have blood clot furniture, we are on a act girl, of course,
of course we have it.
Furniture. And blood clot Sam have the furniture too. All of the act girl, they will change up them furniture, that's them again. You vex the blood clot.
Because she can't afford it. She can't fucking afford it.
Let's say my sister Chin Allen a sodomite. The woman cocky, she no blood clot, pussy, Dan, big up yourself.
Exactly. Big up yourself, Dan.
And you talk about pussy. If you didn't marry ladies, no, we are on blood clot life for 4 hours. You'd have go in the bed and make your man fuck out your pussy. And that's what I try to blood clot tell you. Lady, you claim for say me don't have a blood clot job. Well, I make a take a seat. Lady, so if we don't have a blood clot job, just to go back to show the people say, we are arguing with delusional animals. Because if you say, I don't have a fucking job, all you take a say, you never call me blood clot job.
Right?
Well, me leave that job, I mean, I work no more. So all the sound never call me blood clot job. Lady, you're unhappy. Your life sorry. Your life come worse than blood clot COVID because COVID come and sweep and COVID gone. You know, see COVID I take time and I leave. Don't do COVID no say hello. But me like
them we are gonna coffee out
a blood clot place to go.
Justice for the nursing home and the retirement
Justice
home.
for the chandelier.
Yeah,
me never
and
know
the chandelier.
In a blood clot hospital. What kind of hospital? Me have to go link Beyonce and ask herself when she got the hospital and she had private room if she had chandelier.
Yeah. But them no worry, me I go call her blood clot job and me I go show them the video. Me I go send them the video when she a video that the fucking patient them attack. And that's breach of privacy. That's breach of fucking privacy. Yeah. You want to report people, bitch? You want to report people? No worry yourself. We are somebody's for fucking you.
The whole
life when you do last night.
We feel like we ain't never get it. You're blood clot idiots. Hey, lady, she rub and scrub out your dirty blood clot. Lady, she rub and scrub out your dirty drawers them and throw them in a one pan. Go and go blood clot, sit down with the fab and the cake soap and the brush and go rub out your dirty dry scratch. Because that's the only thing you rub out. You know, see, push over the blood clot rub out. What you gonna rub out? Dirty dry scratch. Push them a blood clot drawers. So she need to go do a rub out her dirty blood clot body where she a walk and a dig out because the shit a blood clot. Dirty woman, skinking woman. Come out from the blood clot and you're my low.
Exactly.
Dog shit here.
She's only mad because we get all her information.
Yes, we are to tell you where to meet us. You said, hey, Canada open the second blood clot next month. If you are Canada citizen, you say me can't fly. Come over the border. I triple double blood clot dare you to come over the blood clot border. You say your sister will get involved, lady. Lady, hurry up and take time and bring her I know. It want to come over the body.
Of course,
short
bread.
Come over the blood clot body. You see your sister lady last night, you're so delusional. Yeah, ring your blood clot phone. Say, your sister never get involved, lady. Hurry up and make she get involved, make the war get big and nice and a blood clot. And
but she had to send her sister them to come beat me. Me too.
Your sister come. Can you see all about that? Hey. Me bust up your sister blood clot. And matter of fact,
but hold on, your sister don't know how me look.
You say I go bound the blood clot. So I don't want to drive 10 to 12 hours. Because you know I miss the blood clot drive. So you just tell me, girl, me have your address. Watch on the bar that open up to blood clot. You go sorry you fuck with blood clot. Me.
Fretdem, the woman vex. She I wonder how we get her address to blood clot.
Tell her that open next month, but do anytime the bar that open. Me a blood clot here, you a visit right
the
in front of the door. She
tormented. The woman couldn't sleep last night to blood clot the way how she a fright. She a look through blood clot window the whole night.
She don't have the blood clot lights and firearm, the lights and firearm with her leg. That's why she can't go in at the bed. It'll be a shot it a bus. It's a Mac 11, 48 and 45 she under she have on her leg.
Yo, lady, see also, it mash up her whole fake fucking fantasy story. Cause and nobody now brag of what them have except she.
Gangster down, you know what say. Anytime I catch them, I like the two blood clot animal and fire. I say, hello, animal, they attack me. And I have to defend my blood clot. So I was scared. I sit down, no blood clot. The animal I do for road, I run for free. You man? But after that, I come for the road. Eh? My money man friend Juice say, I'm going to buy a plane ticket and I make sure put on up in a hotel because after I don't pick up on the blood clot, when the body will come like a football, when I go need for rest. Remember me tell her that Osha, go and go worry about Martin. Let me show you how you do.
That's not her name. Osha's not her name. Bitch, you said it in your own life.
When she realized she can't herself. Oh, you know what I mean?
Oh,
the old school. The blood clot, the old school didn't have to do with what you asked. Let me show you how the woman now no sense again. I'm going to show you how the woman don't marry. Because people, you see when you're married, you and your husband and your children, they is under one blood clot umbrella. One umbrella. She said, when the baby alligator them they got the hospital, right? She said she tell you, Your Honor. No people who blood clot can go in a court but talk about Your Honor. If you have a liar, why do you need to say Your Honor? Your liar speaks to you, dumb bitch, and then you want to sit there and talk about, oh, I said Your Honor. Me and my 3 children, 3 of us was hurt. Just to show you, so you never blood clot married, because if you're married, you just say, my family was hurt, me, my husband, and my girls. You know, blood clot married, that's why you leave the man out. Girl, if you blood clot are married, you are the cooking at the house, you are the cleaning at the house, you are the dog walker, you are the bishop blood clot girl. Come on, how much work you do, girl? My work in here is only one thing. Cookers and clean the house and skin out my good pom. That's my blood clot job. And guess what? I'm the clean. But put them big in here. You see how the house blood clot clean up. Put it in here, can't do nothing.
For real.
And because you put them downstairs with them friend in the basement, why me not go down there because I don't want nobody put in the video. So good blood clot girl. So my house cleaner than your blood clot pussy. My floor cleaner than your old, so you come talk about it. And you talk about Chip Allen a lesbian. And she, no, maybe you want to lick out the
She don't like lesbian. She don't like gays.
We cocky, we no pussy, we come to subtract cocky, not pussy.
She don't like gays at all. She don't like gay people, period.
But you don't ask her a question.
But she like go on them lives.
Right, Stam?
Yeah.
Everybody knows that America, Canada, Spain, England, all them countries, they big pan blood clot gear. You can't see gay people and stay on them too hard.
Right.
Oh, you have to say Canada. No gay people can't in Canada. Eh? She's a mental blood clot case. Our kids them need to get her evaluated. This is the reason why the man no live over there. And you come say you don't get tax credit, right? So all you say when Stam talk about tax credits, you go look it up and I saw you end up and get some. Lady, you're wicked and lying no blood.
No, but she's the only one that knows so much about what the government's giving you and what they're not giving you. And I don't know. I didn't even know about some of those stuff. Like, what the fuck is she talking about?
But that's
at the end of the day,
The law book for the woman right. She have. The law book, lady, me I tell you all that. The law book when you over there say you have. Let's see when you got quote with the Shereen, whosoever this blood clot Shereen is because she need to find me. Eh?
Right?
Me know say them have rainbow living. Yo, please them can't tell me nothing. In America, all of them place there. So when she come talk about lesbian, woman can't even make a proper sentence. And she come talk about you want to put on Jamaican. Lady, you can't put on justice for the blood clot iPad. Justice for the bag there. Mr. Shortbread. A summer now, I want you to bring out a blood clot Louis Vuitton.
Where is the Louis Vuitton? I don't know. I don't see that Burberry blood clot scarf. I don't know.
All right.
I don't know. So we don't see the pool.
When winter don't check out the Burberry scarf. Lady, I was
where's the swimming pool, Fretdem?
That you have to have an hard helmet.
Fretdem, look at the backyard. Chaka, pile up. Where's the swimming pool? She showed the side of the house.
In Canada, and them are the one that have to get people that go where them can't get them asylum and things. I know so when we hear the uneducated bitch, the woman that talk about nursing at lady. You think in 1960s when I'm wearing look
that's a construction working hat. That's a construction hard hat. What is she talking about? She's so fucking dumb and those big ass goggles.
Them gay parade, them gay everything. So when this
right. They all have a street. They have a street where bare gays go on. They live downtown.
All right. All of that me know that's why enough of the boy them at Jamaica. I talk about say them a Batman because them want to go to Canada. Me know the thing go. Lady on the heavy blood clot page. She discrimination against LGBT. We are going to make all the judge know that too. Watch me and your blood clot. Lady, you go sorry. Lady, you so dumb. You come out and I say everything what you go do and what you not go do and you take down live. Lady, at 2021 screenshot and go on from how many years now? How do you?
Exactly.
How are you? How are you, da baboon, yeah, man?
But I'm gonna go and what did she say? She's gonna go to the bank and she's gonna tell them that she's bankrupt and she's gonna quit her job. But I thought you're paying mortgage. Hold on. I thought she's paying mortgage.
No sense. She
what
feel like
the
people
fuck?
all over the world don't have no sense.
She was just crying one day saying that she couldn't pay her mortgage to blood clot. So if you go and say you're going to be bankrupt or you're going to apply for bankruptcy, you're going to lose that house that you're in because you don't own that house, bitch.
She's so
you don't own it. You're so fucking stupid. So you're going to stop working and then give up your house, live on the street, and tell the bank that you are broke, basically to not pay money to somebody. That's bringing your ass.
No,
I thought she said that Shireen person. I thought she said that Shireen girl's not bringing her ass to court or didn't put out the paperwork or whatever. So no, why was she screaming?
Black China, all of them things saved. They already, girl. Oh, you think so? We get the live. Oh, you think so? When
screaming on live.
Them send me the live. Oh, you think so? We get the live. She dumb, and if you go over her page right now, she delete it. Right now, she could have like turn and I say, the judge gonna look at this lady and say, you know what? I think you're fucking mental. I'm gonna make sure you.
They do an evaluation
facility.
Listen to this, Fretdem. Listen, guys. Listen, okay?
When I keep on saying only us, the black community, then people will be like, oh, Osha, then what? And then, you know what I mean?
Max, stop it.
When I keep on saying only us, the black community, then people will be like, oh, Osha, then what? And then, you know what I mean?
Oh, stop. So let's see how you
when I keep on saying only us, the black community, then people will be like, oh, Osha, then what? And then, you know what I mean?
Nobody put that in her mouth. Nobody in a splice, nothing. Nobody didn't say, then she said, ouch crew. How the fuck ouch crew sound like Osha?
No, bitch. The woman said she gonna get all sick leave. She said she's stressed. Girl, we have all of that.
We have everything on. Shireen, get in contact with us or drop it in your in our inbox, and then we would just send it to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a stinking nasty drunker. She needs to go, man. She needs for blood clot. Go, she and a little baby alligator them.
All right.
Only Max alone eat
other people kids.
Hold on, Fretdem. Max look like him ear and drop off her body. Max ear look like him and drop off her body because she had give the dog grandma's word.
But for them, she like talk about other people's kids on her live and don't expect us to come out and attack yours. Like, what the fuck you take this for, lady? You're talking about people's kids and about the man that live in your house and you don't have no man and you don't have no this. And if you have a man, you have a problem. If you don't have a fucking man, you have a problem. Like, what the fuck is your issue, bitch? Nobody don't like
But that's why I said to her, that's why we save everything. We can't play the life here right now, the 4-hour live what she do.
4-hour blood
4-hour live. Nobody has said,
you can't play you want me to play it for them? You want me to play it?
Me husband no with me, Tanya no this, diary no this, Tom no this, one bag of blood clot.
Yo, this bitch dies every video. Every video. Tanya, I mean, Fretdem, every video that we put up about anything, this fucking woman goes in there with a big notepad and a pen and write down, oh, Fretdem said this at 16 minutes and 43 seconds, and Tanya said this at this. That's what she does. The woman dissect the fucking whole life, bro.
Yeah, she said, yeah, justice to Candy Batman, son, a fierce son of Batman with a long earring.
Right?
Girl, her son have a long blood clot earring, and the boy, when the boy I laugh, it look like when donkey a blood clot brain. It look like when donkey says it's a holiday, and so the boy just start, they have the picture, they don't think I have nothing at this other phone. The friggin' boy is so fucking ugly. Go and go talk about Indian. You can't say that's here. You can't say Indian is not your baby father. Remember your son put it up and say R.I.P. Dad. Remember your son put it up. Girl, me sit down for your blood clot son page. Like when girls sit down and buy.
Hold on.
She talk about every fucking body. She talk about Candy, all I want to your passport, Candy. And what you do? You can't create your passport. Why she can't come up with your passport to land? You know, from when this lady said she come up with your passport, Max Capitans. You know, from when she said that, me still away for your passport, me can't bother. Me can't bother. Me don't know I want to your passport. Yeah.
Exactly.
From the time she come up with everybody information except Fiat. Girl, justice for the blood clot, porch. She Joshua in Maserati. And in Benz. You said justice for the blood clot porch. Come out and bring out the porch, dirty man. Yeah, come talk about say me and no blood clot paper, so all me can drive up and down and work. Girl, you out of your blood clot mind. And I'm doing COVID yeah, when yeah, the people them say them are gonna give you a driver's license. Eh? Justice for that blood clot. Boy, yeah,
how can I show the pictures? Like, this Instagram is so different. I'm like, fuck.
I don't even know if baby can see me. I can't go to that phone and say me can't see it.
If you could
justice for the blood clot porch. That's what I want to tell her. Justice for the porch. See the ugly people in there. See them here. Them here. See the ugly people in there, people. See me, see our son, the one here.
Yes.
Him have been here, and I wanted the black one. Look on the other man blood clot, bro. So other people they belong to the man. And the little boy black no blood clot. The little boy come like a tar pot. Look how him see.
The one on the that's hugging up the man hugging up Indian. Yeah, the one that's hugging up Indian. That's Big Mac's son.
I know because his mom look like Indian. No, so the little boy have black and she. Look how the little boy black and she.
The one on the left with the long face one, that one.
Yeah.
He isn't even for Indian. In black
yes, and him over there too. And because the people in the Algeria too. I three finish up for the man and none of these blood clot animals don't belong to the man. Eh? Which one of these girls go find your right baby father? This is the reason why you feel like say everybody don't have the right baby father. Good. And Nicole Sanders, hey, dirty pussy woman, you file the road, dirty woman. And that's
but she's scared. She doesn't know that we could get information like that. Like once you have links, for certain things like them, we don't even have to talk too hard. You see what I'm saying? We get it in our blood clot And she is fretting and wondering how the fuck did these people get you know what I mean, that information. But no, her middle name is not Nicole. No, Suki, it's not Nicole. It's Josh Ann. Joshan. Okay? That's her middle name. It ain't Nicole. She only give that to the white people, them, the name Nicole, because she want sound white. She don't want to give them Osha. Because it sound too blood clot black. Yeah? Run up. Osha, run up. But me live at Brampton. Move your blood clot. You don't know where me live, girl. You don't know where me live. And when me run up on your blood clot, you better blood clot pray say me no see you. Because I'm going to give you some fuck lick under your blood clot, you see? Especially in your big blood clot mouth. Bust up your blood clot mouth. Make you can't chat. Make it even worse if me there with people. Make them beat out your bumblehole. Beat out your blood clot so you can't come on live and chat. And say nothing. I want to Fretdem. Fretdem get cut off. How about this? Beat out your blood clot, you see, girl? Watch me on you. Just wait for it, yeah? Wait for it, blood clot. Wait for it. I'm not in a long talking. I'm not one of those girls that be like, and start cussing and go on and hold out phone and all these things for video. No, but I video the aftermath, yes. When your blood clot mouth bust up, then I will tell you who the fuck I be. Yeah? No, she a bad girl, yeah. That's what she said. And the post-world can't even fight. The fucking girl can't even fight me mama blood clot. You can't bother. The fuck you want to take on somebody? You want to take on me and me blood clot fight all my life. Move your blood clot. When me done with you, you see? That's fucking here, nasty here where you have in your head. That pop out every blood clot out of it. You are a judgment that day there. We just want to see. You're lucky I live an hour and maybe 15 minutes away from you. This fucking old dog shit. No, Black Chinese, all I have to do is just put me up in one tight ponytail and make sure I do a tight bun. She can't even get to grab my blood clot here when me fight like man. I don't fight like a girl with pull hair and do all these blood clot things. Nah. I fight like